Your life, your full story, not everybody needs to know. We are living in an era where a lot of young people keep talking about authenticity, authenticity, authenticity. So they want to post everything about their lives online. And it's very dangerously dangerous. They are posting everything. Mtu anaamka hata anaenda kuoga anapost online. Please, in fact, I normally say this way. Let me be biased a bit and talk to the girl child. I always, for some reason, the content that gets posted online is the one I'm talking about, the boy child. But I do talk to the girl child as well. Let me talk to the girl child. Please do not ever post a boyfriend on social media. Please, do not ever post a boyfriend on social media. So when you break up, are you again going to post that you have broken up? You see, when you post a boyfriend on social media or a fiancé, whatever that is, people assume you are sleeping with him. So they are already doing body count for you. You see, men don't have body count. It's women who have body count. So people will be having body count. You posted Johnny, you posted Harry, you posted. They will count you have slept with all of them, even when you have not. Please, your social media page is yours. Don't put profile picture of a boyfriend. I also don't even put profile picture of a husband of 22 years. I put mine. It's my space. Not that I'm not proud of him, I am, but that's my space. Correct? So please, social media is for social. I'm there to market my services and live my purpose. So it's not for my husband, it's not for my children. If they randomly happen to Peter up, sour, but it's not their space. Their space is in the family space. We have a family space where we share pictures. So please, as a girl child, don't ever post a boyfriend. And if they are telling you, kama unipost, you are not proud of me, I'm going to leave. Wacha aende, songa mbele kama injili. That's a controlling person. And it's a sign that they are going to be abusive to you. You see, let us not reverse God's order of things. When people talk about prostitute, they are talking about a woman or a man. Is there a word for a male prostitute? So why are you saying what a man can do, we can do? Let the man post. Because let me tell you, a married man is more marketable. Did you know that? But a married woman is not. That's the reality.
Get the point. Take a step forward.